Alright. Hey guys, I'm Devin, and I'm a training mentor, and today I made a motion sensor that also blinks at you. So, the starting goal of this was to create a motion sensor that set off an alarm whenever you got too close and would progressively light up lights as you got closer. And you would also be able to push a button to turn the alarm off when you wanted to. So some quick problems. So I had never actually done any breadboard wiring before, so learning all that was a pain, but it worked out, and the best way that I found out to do it was try different configurations and then also ask people when I needed some help. And then another problem was getting the lights to live update. I was having an issue where once I turned them all on, they'd stay on, and so I had to go and manually turn them all off in the right spot, and now it works fine. I tested too many times, far too many, and I definitely never shorted the board, ever, but I definitely did, and so with a number of those, I ended up testing quite a lot. Then, we'll demo it out. Okay.
Ooh, didn't really know much.
Is that non-keyboard? It was. Alright.
Trust me,
Okay,
I got
so
this.
then now as you can see, as you get closer to it, more and more lights light up, and then once you get to a certain point, it beeps, and you can do that. I think dropping it might have broken it a little bit, but it's fine. And there you go. It reads the distance manually, and is very annoying. There you go. Ta-da! I know. Alright. Alright. Any questions?
Questions, guys? Should ask questions.
Have you built any projects similar to this before?
Not in a really long time. I used to be in a club that did some of this stuff, but it was a long time ago.
What was the hardest part of the project?
Definitely figuring out the button. As simple as it sounds, it was very easy to short the board with it, and I did that a couple times, and Omar, he came over and yelled at me for doing it.
What was the easiest part?
For me, it was the Python. I've done a lot of Python before, so it was pretty simple to learn it.
All right, let's give him a round of applause.